Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install app on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now, before you install any app, you do want to make sure that you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data, as you'll need an internet connection in order to download any apps. And then we're going to want to go into the App Store, which is a default app on your iPhone. It's going to open up like this, and hit continue. And then you can select either of this option, doesn't matter. And you're going to be prompted onto the App Store where you can search up apps. But before even that, you want to verify that you have an Apple account signed in. If not, simply tap on that profile up top here. And either you can sign into your existing account if you have Apple ID, or you can create one which is completely free on your iPhone. Simply follow the prompt to do so. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my existing account. But if you need to create one, simply create one. So I'm going to put in my details now. So I'm basically entering my email and password for my Apple account. And then I'm going to hit done here so I can sign in. And I'm going to put my two-factor in there. And once you enter your two-factor code, it's going to sign into your account. And once you're signed in, you're going to hit done. Once you're signed in, all you're going to do is verify it up top here that your account is signed in. And if you are, you're going to hit done, and then we can go ahead and search. And in order to install an app or such, you can simply click on the search option, find the app you want. For example, if I want maybe TikTok here as an example, I'll go ahead and search. And then once you see the app, you're going to tap on Get here, and it will begin installing that app. Now, if it's your very first time installing it, you click on install. It might prompt you to enter your Apple ID password one more time or do a Face ID verification. So I'm going to do that now. I've entered my Apple ID password. Click on sign in one more time. And once it clicks on check mark, it is now starting to download and install. This you can select either option, doesn't matter. And as you can see here, it's starting to spin, which is a good sign. And we're going to wait until it starts to download. And you can go ahead and navigate out of it. Once it's ready, it'll start installing. As you can see here, it'll download and install at the same time. And you can do the same exact process. We hit continue, and then you can look at other apps if you like to install. Maybe you like to install Instagram. Again, click on that get, and then you're going to be again prompted to enter your Apple ID password. And then you'll be able to go ahead and download any apps that you want, and you can download multiple apps at once. You don't have to wait for it. Just keep on downloading whatever app you want, and it'll go ahead and download. Again, just go to the search. The key thing here is you're going to be wanting to connect to the internet. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID, and then you can search up apps in the App Store to go ahead and download them. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone 16 Pro Max and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.